and and I want to say that some people are told, why are you give extra effort? I want to say that those person, I want to not give. I'm not working for company. I'm working for me. If I think this is my work, this is my work. My believe that if I give 200%, it will be beneficial for company. Then company will be considered for me. Yes.
Wow, good to
Some
see
other
that.
Yes, 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 sir.
Go ahead,
Yes,
go
so
ahead.
some other candidate, yes, some other candidate told, why are you you not take your other leave policy? We have, I have like one month already leave, but I don't take leave. Yes, if I achieve my goal, I want to say that I already told in before when we talk start any classes, when we first time we talk, I want to become a GM, general manager. We are responsible for all the. So if someone who have good guts compared to better me, he will achieve 3 years. Yes, no, I have little bit skill, little bit, but I will improve. I will take 5 years, but I will do it. I will achieve my goals. And thank you so much for you. And you inspire. I think you are a mentor, friend, and you know very well what my skill, what my weak point, and how to improve. Every person have different skill, different variety of working style. But I thank for you. And before, when first time you start, I feel very uncomfortable when you speak. Yes, I belong to state board Hindi medium school, and but I don't. You told me no. You forget where you from, now where you stand, that, and you start this position to upper level. Yes, I compete. Yes, someone better school, better family background. No, I will set my milestone, my journey. So I think it is achievement for dedicate for you. If you don't guide me, I will only work. Yes. Yeah, some people are working, same work. Wake up in 7 in morning and finishing work 8 to 7 p.m. and that's no. If you want to sign, you make a big star, then you work to do different. Yes, work is same, but how to work you're so in different way. Yes, result maybe some result you're not according to you, but we not focus your result. Yes, how can you better to that? How can you unique today? Yes, if you fail, then how to learn? I want to failure is, I think my failure is, I think my belief that those person is fail in life, and that person is winner. Yes, if you learn from your failure position and improve, that's your person. So I think, and thank you so much, Mr. Naresh Mahato. As
thank you so much. I'm grateful for this. Aryan, in issue? Continue.
This is for family, not a friend. So I think thank you, and I have no much a word to explain. Yes.
I can't believe
it is great time. I don't know. I don't know. I want to some people. So why are you yes, or some, I think you told me from start beginning one day. Yes, your trust, your dedication, your first before you work any person, any do the work, you believe I can believe you. Yes, you can improve myself. Yes, not yes. I'm not you 100% to achieve my goal. I speaking not that, but I'm good. Yes, I only 40% now achieve, but upcoming day we 100% I do it. So it comes from you without your guidance, your motivation, or your lecture. Sometimes we are very lazy. I'm not this that YouTube. No, Anand, please. Yes, it's a dedication and it is balance equal. Yes, Sometimes I'm not happy and I don't want to attend class. It is very difficult because my work is after 11 p.m. maybe 11 p.m. good night. After we wake up in 8 p.m. No, RN, please give 1 month. You will believe. Yes. So thank you again for such a wonderful opportunity to learn from you. Thank you so much.
I can't believe this, that you are saying this thing to me, and so fluently, so nicely you are speaking out from your heart actually. No, it's like, I mean, like, you have been an amazing, I'm not able to believe that you are saying this thing. You have absorbed everything, whatever I taught you during the class, you are speaking those things only. Oh my God. Aryan, like, what would I say? You have been one of my favorite student who have performed so well. So, I mean, like, so much result I've seen right from the first day till here. We have come a long way. But like, I'm not able to express. I'm so happy to see you that you have become so, I mean, like, we have been one of the champion. And I believe that you'll be able to go very far in your life, in your career, not only AGM or
I'm
GM.
not. I'm
you'll
not.
be able to.
I am not champion. But sorry, interrupt you. I am not a champion. But yes, your process, your stage of learning, by like start like 0 to 10, by step, it is very good. I think yes, you told me all time. Yes, you have studied 25 years spent in your college school. You know very well. Important is things, how to express your opinion to other candidate. Don't take yes, believe. Yes, give me such emotions. That is. So I think my achievement is 100%, 200% is dedicated for you. If yes, I can. Yes, upcoming December, I have become a manager. Yes, or not, this is hard work and all things, and because this confidence, no, people are working same position, yes, but this confidence and way of communication is dedicated for you. So thank you so much. I'm not much word to explain,
but
you
I
helping.
Thank you for your loving words, very kind words. Actually, it was just your hard work that you have followed what I have just shown you the path. It was just your dedication, your hard work, your belief in the process. Actually, I have not done anything. The process has done everything. The process was helping you, nurture you, and grow you. And I'm very happy to see you that you are speaking out your heart. One day you told me whether I'll be able to speak Hindi, English or not, because I come from the Vadivel, but you believed that it is possible. And everybody can do it, and you are one of the living example, the real example, the living person who can tell others that if I can do, you can also do, irrespective of whatever vernacular medium you come from. So I'm very happy to see this. And you were saying yourself, oh my God, like, this is maybe something good I have done, that's why I think I'm getting so much praise and all. Thank you so much, Aryan, actually, for these kind words and all. And yeah, if you would like to say something more, yeah, it's upon you, over to you.
Yes, upcoming December, I will share. I already, this is not your promotion. Yes, this is platform for 20% to those we become in rural area, like which more, like your Hindi, Tamil, Telugu, Assami, other Bengali medium. If you want to become 15-day challenge, yes, your policy is good. 15 days you can speak fluently.
Actually, we have increased the time, actually, because 15 days nobody wants to work hard that much, so we have made it to 21 days.
No, I think this is not about 15 days. It is minimum practice.
15 days practice is required.
This is not magic trick. This is not magic trick. You already told me. This is only about practice. 15 days after class, when finishing one month class, and only give 50 days, like one total 45 days. Yes, and I guarantee. Or if someone not approve, I will refund those money. I will challenge.
No, Aryan, your words are, it's very powerful. Whatever you said is reflecting your belief and your trust and everything in the process. Thank you so much, Aryan. It was very of very kind word, loving word, and very wise words for me. And I wish you all the success for your life. You become not only the AGM, you go to the go to the senior managers, the AVP, VP, and then one day CEO of the company, or not, or any company. I wish all the success for you.
Thank you.
So thank you so much. So viewers, if you're watching this live any time of the years or of your life, see, this Aryan Yadav. He is one of my friend, later on became one of my mentee, whom I guided him just 2 months, and within 2 months he improved like anything. You can hear him what he speaks. You can rewind, you can watch it again and again what he has said. And he comes from the basically the vernacular medium, where he was low doubt, self-doubt, and feeling of like negative belief that whether I'll be able to speak English or not. And we started from then, from the belief that yes, you can do. We are not going to do any kind of magic. We are just going to do hard work, and hard work pays us back. If you believe on the process is going to reward us. Everywhere process is there, and process is going to believe. I'm not doing any kind of magic and all. There are other students also who has also performed very well. They are in their different companies and all. But one among them is Aryan Yadav. He is the achievement which I have seen is really super fantastic, fantabulous. So thank you so much, and you can be a part of this community. We are going to expand it to across all the country, to this entire country where everybody can be benefited. So that's all. That's all for today. Intensify your personality. This Naresh Mahto, Intensify, signing off.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.